I am from Kuki.
Tell me how you were treated when you were detained.
We have been detained 27 days under the Naga village guard, where we have been well treated. Well treated. We have been provided good food, the best food available in the area. Best clothing from panties, shirts, pants, blankets, and many more. I have to say many more.
How many meals were you provided in a day?
Two meals and one tea time. There are also two tea time.
Where did you put any special kind of choice when you asked for certain kind of food?
May I have another? May you repeat the question?
Were you given any special kind of treatment, as in like any special kind of food provided to you?
Yeah. The best food available.
Did you face any challenges, or how was your time? Did you face any challenges?
Yeah. We have a great thing to learn from the Naga village girls. They have been extraordinary. They have been extraordinary, special, unique. They're
Then
not.
what do you have to say to the people, to your people who has held 6 of our Naga brothers?
Plastic dress extra haptingai leibra.
Hoi. Asal plastik tu boleh tu. Itu pakai dia tu. Langsung penggerak terada. Itu di saya. Amar apa? Noin ekoi nusi bese pun sida kawro ya ba.
Nungai da yaro ba adu ba.
Kun su thang de. Kun su marak su thang de ba.
Nungai chalo.
Nungai te ba wari su marak su ngang bi de ba.
Nungai yaro.
Noin ko ba ekoi de sa. Noin de ekoi lo ke do ba yam de ya ba. Bi do ba. Tuh ada bolu, kafe sa. Ekoi de amara ba sar koi de. Kate ba masuk de itre.
Nungai yaro ba adu ba.
Kuki haibang kamunong ubang ang malaki bora do pinabiyoy na ni Jabli Paisyo. Asiguma example ang pinahirala. Nakikiyang kada chan ba nakukang ba si tungane si kang mangamba. Asaw ko kaya le ramba yaya adu mayam su kuki ba haibang nakaki bora do pinabiyoy na ni Jabli Paisyo. Maphamas ni
Kuki sai tungwan. Lun sai tungwan. Kaimam tungwan. Lun sai tungwan. Lun ilang tungwan. Tungau len tungwan. Segin lun tungwan. Segin hau tungwan. Hau tungwan. Homi lun kiken. Lamgau len kiken. Hang len mam tungwan. Hang min len tungwan.
And facilitated the release of 14 Kuki detainees here on the basis that Nagas are culture people. We uphold war ethics and also we respect international law on human rights. We are also considering the commitment of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji through Honorable CM of Nagaland, Dr. Nipurio, giving the assurance that the governments will put all out effort to trace out and established the status of the mission hostages of our 6 Nagas, and also taking into considerations all the appeals from the world community, World Baptist Alliance, Asian Baptist Christian Fellowships, Council of Naga Baptist Churches in Northeast India, NBC, Joint Nagaland Christian Forums, tribal hosts from Nagaland and across Nagaland, organizations, and many others, including the appeals of our Honorable CM of Magalia, Komrake Shamma. Further, the commitments and assurance given by the state's government of Manipur that they will put all effort and trace out the status of and establish the status of the mission hostages and produce within certain time-bound manner. With this, today, the United Naga Council, in consultations with all the stakeholders, facilitated the safe release of the 14 Kuki detainees here and handed over to the district administrations, police, and security forces before the public. Thank you.